Make a great choice today with 2015 X5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, keyless entry, HD radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.